guys, thanks for joining us. We're packing a lot into this video. We're wrapping up the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, heading over the Mighty Mac Bridge, going down to the Traverse City area of Michigan. So we've got a lot to cover this time. Join us in this video because, I don't know, this might be our last video. We're just not sure. We'll fill you in on that in a little bit, but we do have more to explore. So I'm glad we came. It's absolutely fascinating, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely worth the side trip.
Mm-hmm. Yep, amazingly simple. Neat. Genius.
Brilliant. So we decided to make a side trip to Sault Ste. Marie for one reason, to see the locks.
This whole thing, I didn't know, but it's amazingly simple. 1,000-foot long ships. It's all gravity. This one goes down, this one goes up. Pretty daggone simple.
Yep. The Army Corps of Engineers operates a really interesting visitor center here at the Locks, so if you come, make sure you check it out. This morning, it's rainy, it's a little windy, and Dave gets to do something very exciting.
Very exciting.
Very exciting. What are you gonna do, David?
Well, I had Pop-Tarts. That was exciting. The second thing, I went to the dump station. Equally as exciting. Now we get to drive across the bridge.
The Mackinac Bridge, headed down to Traverse City.
Mm-hmm.
Ending our time in the Upper Peninsula, and it's been fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Oh, definitely. This is a come back to area.
Oh,
definitely.
Yeah, we just didn't have enough time here.
Mm-hmm.
We have a deadline and places we need to be, but we will be back.
Mm-hmm.
The Mackinac Bridge is known as the Mighty Mac or the Big Mac, and it was completed in 1957. It's the longest suspension bridge between anchorages in the Western Hemisphere.
It's costing me $8.
$8.
To go white knuckled across the bridge.
Yeah, it's windy. They're still allowing folks to go on the bridge that are high profile, but we have to go across it at 20 miles an hour today. Lots of fun. We rolled our home across the Mackinac Bridge in the wind and the rain, and we are headed to Traverse City to explore the Old Mission and Leelanau Peninsulas and all the gorgeous things there, but we're doing it without the GoPro. We're going back in time. So we came to Sleeping Bear Dunes, forgot the GoPro. I think we're just about done with this. I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna check out this hike, views, we're gonna do the dune climb, might paddleboard.
Full day, no GoPro.
No GoPro.
No GoPro.
It's all right. You're like one of those monkeys that sticks his hand in the tree, grabs the fruit or something.
What?
So if you do this trail here, you're gonna have two different environments, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there's the dunes, and then there's this wooded area, and it really reminds me a lot of our very first stop, which was our very second video at Indiana Dunes State Park, because there's the woods and then there's the dunes.
The dunes.
And that was at the bottom of Lake Michigan. But so I'll put a link to that video. The other dunes we did was the Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado.
Yeah.
Maybe
different.
I can link that too. I don't know if I can link two videos at the same point or not on a video.
A double link.
I don't know.
Who says we can do any of the things we do?
YouTube sure doesn't. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah, we don't get enough
Nope.
enough thumbs up, enough comments to even make their algorithm happy. So, but we're making us happy. We're doing us. Right, Dave? Which leads us to where we are right now. So we're inserting this in real time where we are right now, somewhere in the depths of Florida. Just kind of wanted to fill you guys in on our thoughts on the channel. What are our thoughts?
We're not going to be putting videos out every week.
We just want to do it for fun. We're not trying to become monetized. We'll be putting out videos when we have something good to put out, but not just putting out content to just make
For the sake
content.
of it.
Yeah, just so it will be regular, because YouTube likes regular. So we're not regular, we're irregular.
Yeah. Well, it goes against the grain of David to, you know, you got to do this, you got to do that, and it's like, no.
No dancing chicken.
No.
Yeah. We checked out the scenic drive at Sleeping Bear Dunes, primarily to see the big sand dunes, but there's a lot of other things. So the Park Service rebuilt this bridge in like 1966 or something like that to accommodate taller vehicles, we're glad of that, and to repair the damage from munching porcupines. Pretty funny. What do you think, Dave? Are we going to do this?
We'll have a look-see.
Yeah. It don't cost $3,000.
$3,000?
$3,000.
Oh, yeah.
Go up. What do you think? Are we going to do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it.
Yeah.
I don't know. So now I'm a little over halfway up. Breathing is good. We're going to try to continue breathing. So make it on up. Olivia and Nathan from On World Travels, another YouTube channel, a much better YouTube channel, are so fun, and they captured some images of us from the viewing platform before we actually met them. We'll put a link to their channel in the description. Stopped at the fishing village of Leland. Cute little town. There's so many cute little towns in this Leelanau Peninsula. I'm not saying it right. Don't forget to check out the Old Mission Peninsula. It's pretty cool too. So this is one reason why this is supposed to be such a good wine region too. The microclimate between the lake on either side of the points and the fact that it's on the 45th parallel. The same as Bordeaux, France, and some wine region from Italy. Interesting. So yeah, Michigan is awesome, and yeah, we'll be back.
Yeah, see you when we see you.
Yes.
Dark side of the moon.
See you down the road.